This is without a doubt one of the most delicious things you can do with a pack of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. We're just going to create a really simple marinade with some mayo, oil, some seasoning, garlic, lemon zest and lemon juice. In with the diced chicken thigh, and then we're going to coat it in all that flavour and then skewer it. Baste them out in an air fryer and then brush over the leftover marinade, and whilst they're cooking we're going to mix butter with fresh parsley, seasoning and lemon juice. Then baste the chicken for the last couple of minutes in that gorgeous butter. And once they're lightly charred on the outside and cooked right through the centre, you can give them a final drenching in that butter, and you're left with the juiciest, most gorgeous lemon butter chicken skewers. They are way too easy not to try, and they hit the spot every single time. If you give this one a go, then definitely let me know, and I'll pop the full written recipe just below.